Hello, magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa sign na Aries Leo, Sagittarius, Lola Baby nagpapakilala. Isang like, subscribes, and share lang po. Bigyan ko kayo ng reading sa mga natitirang araw, linggo ng buwan ng July. If you wanna private reading, feel free to email Lola Baby. So general po ito. This is not a personal. Okay? So tingnan natin. Ito is may kinalaman sa inyong past, present, and future. Okay? So titingnan po natin. Okay? Kung kanino energy ang mahahagip ng Lola. Kaninong energy sa inyo. Okay? So meron ditong tinatawag na sandali. Yan ha. Okay. So, ibig sabihin nito, narito ang tinatawag na, okay, the Emperor. Okay? So, it's more on there is a growth here. Okay? There is a growth. Maybe you are waiting. Okay? Kung naman itong hinihintay nyo, there is a growth, di ba? Yan, kino-confirm tatlo ito, okay? Materials, and then what you are manifesting, what you are attracting, di ba? Nasa na ito is magkaroon ng tinatawag na growth, di ba? So it's more about you're in a hermit mode, di ba? It's like, let's say sabihin natin you are praying to God, di ba? You are connecting your spirit to God na sana magkaroon ng growth, okay? Ng action, okay? It's like tinatawag na ito is mabuo, di ba? Magmaterialize, di ba? Mapayagan, di ba? So narito ang tinatawag na 2, 4, 6. The 6 of Pentacles, di ba? Titingnan ko ang energy, ha? Kasi lumabas ang the 6 of Pentacles. So it's more about it's like ano itong katangian mo, okay? Yaan. Okay? That it needs it's like meron dito, okay? It's about you. Okay? It needs to be perfected, 'di ba? Yan. It needs yung tinatawag na i-work out, 'di ba? So maybe sabihin na natin your behavior, okay? Your moral behavior and conducts kailangan dito tinatawag na trabahuhin. Okay? So, maaaring to sabihin na natin, you are under observation. Diba? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito para, halimbawa sabihin natin para makapasa ka. Diba? Let's say you are applying for a job. So, kumbaga dito ay tinatawag, ini-screen test ka siguro. Siguro, dumadaan ka sa psychology test, diba? Sa psychiatric test, diba? Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag, the overall result nitong tinatawag na 6 of Pentacles to the 3 of Pentacles to the 5 of anong tawag dito? Wands, 'di ba? Yan. So I thought it's I thought it's a 3 of Wands, it's a 5 of Wands, 'di ba? So para some of you, ang nakikita ko dito, okay, since I thought it's a tree, nagkamali ako, okay, yan. So dito ha, it's like you are under a screen, ini-screen kayo, di ba, yan. So ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, your next move, di ba, yan. It's like dito, you are praying to God na kung ano man ito, it's like sumusugal ka, di ba, yan. So, ibig sabihin nito na sana ito is magkaroon ng tinatawag fruition. Okay? It's like you are presenting something. Yun lang nakikita ko. You are presenting something para ito yung tinatawag ma-convince. Diba? To convince them. Okay? Yan. It's like dito narito yung tinatawag, it's about your cooperation. Okay? Very, very cooperative itong mga tao ito. Siguro, saan kayo very cooperative? Sa halimbawa, sabihin na natin sa government employees, government tinatawag natin with the position, or sabihin na natin school, maybe you are studying, okay, university, something like that, di ba? Okay. Kasi nakikita dito, it's about your participation, okay? Ano itong the emperor? Yan, okay. So dito sa the emperor na ito, it's about your, nakikita ko about your ability, okay? It's about your passion, okay? It's about your uniqueness. It's about what you can do. Maybe you're a dancer, di ba? Maybe you're good in dancing. Maybe you're good in stage performance, di ba? So nakikita ko dito is about your passion, di ba? It's like you are very, very excellent. Excellent ka pagdating dito sa tinatawag na your passion, okay? It's like you are gifted with this gifts, okay? It's more on you are gifted, you are talents, okay? The Three of Pentacles, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag para, it's like you need to magkaroon dito ng participation, di ba? Okay? It's like ikaw ang kanilang sa iyo lahat, di ba? Sabihin na natin ikaw is someone, okay, with the tinatawag na higher intelligence, di ba? Yan, oh. Maybe it's about your position. Marami kang hinahawakan, di ba? Okay? Marami kang hinahawakan and you are nakikita dito, okay? Paano mo ito mare-resolve para ibig sabihin masatisfy mo clients mo, customers mo, di ba? The people you are working with, di ba? So kumbaga dito yung tinatawag, okay, sa iyon it's like yan, no? Sinasabi nila. So it's like ano may contribute mo dito, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, something like that, di ba? So it's about your expertise ang nakikita ko para magkaroon ng growth, provision, ha? Okay? So narito ang tinatawag na the King of Pentacles. Yan, oh. So for some of you, it's about, I think, halimbawa sabihin na natin sa social media, no? Ganyan kayo tingnan ng mga tao. It's like what you are posting on social media, okay? Maybe you are posting, okay, yung tinatawag your achievements, your ano ito? It's like ito ang iyong achievements, di ba? Yan. So it's about more of your achievements. Halimbawa sabihin natin ikaw isa naging manager ng bangko. It's like a proof, di ba? Something that will describe you, tells about you. Okay? Yan. Yan. Pagkakakilanlan about you. Okay? Yan ang nakikita ko sa inyo. So, tingnan natin itong 2 for 6, the 6 of Pentacles. Diba? Love. Okay? So, meron ditong namumuong pag-ibig. Sandali lang, ha? Okay? Siguro ito sa katrabaho mo. Sandali lang, ha? Kasi, love. Okay? There is a love. Saan ito kasi kita mo naghahalikan na sila. Through social media mo ba ito nakilala? Diba? Exchanging, diba? Through social media mo ba ito? Very, very attractive ka kasi dito, diba? So, ibig sabihin nito, okay? Yun na nga nakita ko. Sandali. The lovers lumabas dito, ha? Okay? The lovers can be scandalous. Pwedeng scandalous, di ba? It's like tinatawag na many affairs, okay? It's like sabihin natin, it's one of your latest, okay, na sabihin na natin ka-affair, okay? When it says pag sinabi mong the lovers, it's like changing partners. Marami siyang tinatawag na kapartner, naging kapartner. Okay? Yun ang nakikita ko dahil sa the Six of Pentacles. Okay? So, tingnan ko lang, ha? Ang Temperance. The Five of Spades. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito is tinatawag blessings. Okay? You are blessed. You are blessed with what you are doing. Okay? So, that is your, ang nakikita ko dito, you are gifted. Your talents, your skills. You are very, very good. Okay? At what you are doing. Maybe you're a gift, you have talents in writing, in dancing, in singing, in cooking. Diba? That's your gifts. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na you are stand out. Kasi Five of Spades, stand out ka. Okay? Sa iba, sa lahat. Okay? So it's like tinatawag may pagkikilanlan. Kaya narito ang King of Pentacles. Pagkikilanlan, stand out ka. Okay? Stand out. The Five of Wands, tingnan natin. Okay? Yan. And lumabas dito ang the Ten of ano ito? Diamonds, di ba? Ibig sabihin nito, yan Ibig sabihin nito, reliable person ka. Yan kita mo. You're a reliable person. Kaya dito nakikita mo, you're very, very proud sa King of Pentacles, di ba? It's about your achievements. It's about your dreams. It's about your goals, okay? What is your goals? Your tinatawag na achievements, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na big rewards, okay? Big. It's more about wealth. Hindi wealth, okay? It's more about may perang papasok sa inyo. Okay? Malaking perang papasok sa inyo. Okay? Yan. So, tinatawag, palo na Okay? Yan, palo na po, ha? Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na it's like the winner, ito-declare, ipapublish, i-announce, di ba? The good, yung tinatawag na the result, di ba? Kasi narito, okay? So, it's more about credit. And it's like, lahat ng credit sa iyo mapupunta. Good credits, okay? Good credits sa iyo mapupunta. Yun na nakikita ko. So, tingnan natin the King of Pentacles, ha? Okay. So, lumabas dito on the Nine of, from 10 of Diamonds to the 9 of Diamonds. Diba? So, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na you're on your way to success. Okay? You're on your path to success. Ay maganda. So, tingnan ko lang itong tinatawag the lovers, ha? Okay? Okay. It's like iba ang vibration ko din, Okay? Okay. It's like sinasabi ditong sino ang iyong paninindigan, sino ang tinatawag na forever mo. Okay? Oo. So, dito yung tinatawag na the Nine of Spades. Yan, ha? Okay? So, it's more about tinatawag relationship at work. Sino ito? It's like meron ditong makakarelasyon. Ikaw ba ito? Since kayo ang binabasahan ko, ito yung makakarelasyon mo at work. Diba? Yan. So, pag sinabi mong the lovers, diba? Pwede yan yung tinatawag na attraction between man and a woman. Or attraction, ibig sabihin may soulmate ka. Natagpuan mo ang soulmate mo. Diba? So, it's not about tinatawag na halimbawa nagkaroon ng infidelity, di ba? So it's more about tinatawag na your soulmate, matatagpuan mo soulmate mo. Baka dito sabihin natin na ito na ang soulmate mo, itong trabahong ito ang soulmate mo, yung boss mo. Kumbaga dito'y masaya ka sa relationship mo sa boss mo. Kumbaga dito'y tinatawag na hulog ng langit siya sa iyo. Baka ang mga kasama mo sa trabaho, di ba? Kumbaga dito nakikita soulmate mo lahat, di ba? Halimbawa, soulmate mo ang katrabaho mo, soulmate mo ang mga kaibigan mo, di ba? Or maaring tinatawag na, sandali ha, okay. This is the 6 of, maaring ito yung tinatawag na soulmate mo ang asawa mo. Okay? Soulmate mo. Yan ha. Yun ang nakikita ko. So, meron ditong madaldal ha. Sino madaldal, ang asawa mo or ikaw? Diba? Yan. Ibig sabihin siguro pareho kayong madaldal. Diba? Yan. Kaya soulmate kayo. So, tingnan ko lang ha. Okay, you're on path to your success now. Ibig sabihin nito, kung halimbawa may mga, kasi stand out ka dito. Diba? It's like tinatawag na nobody compares you. Okay? They cannot compare. Hindi nila pwedeng ihalin tulad ang sarili nila sa iyo. Dito ha, sa the 5 of spades. Yan. So, teka, dalawa ito. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, you're the best. Okay? You're the best. Yan. Ibig sabihin nito, they will recognize, okay, your skills, your intelligence. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na merong, it's like, hindi ko lang alam ha, dahil ito may kalungkutan. Okay? So, dito ko siya ipapasok sa tinatawag na the 9 of spades. Yan ha. So, ibig sabihin nito, maaring merong, it's like closing a relationship, the end of a relationship. Kayo, kung sino man ito, sabihin natin, tapos na ang relationship mo sa iyong trabaho, sa boss mo, sa employment mo, di ba? Sa employer mo, tapos na. O kaya tapos na ang relationship mo sa asawa mo. So, there's another, sabihin na natin, soulmate na kilala. Tapos na. It's like tinatawag, malungkot ka, 'di ba? Kasi natapos na. There is nagkaroon dito ng tinatawag unending. Okay? Yan. May tinatawag may mga pinagsamahan din kayo, 'di ba? So para sa ibig sabihin nito, meron kayong mga halimbawa sabihin na nating i-end na kontrata. Okay? Masakit man ito sa loob mo, pero kailangan ito'y i-release mo. Kaya sabihin na natin mga tao, 'di ba? Friends, 'di ba? A job, 'di ba? Or a marriage, kailangan i-release mo ito, 'di ba? Yan. So, it's like magkakaroon dito ng tinatawag na paghihiwalay na. Okay? So, tingnan ko ang tinatawag na the nine of diamonds. Okay? Stardom. Ayan, kita ninyo. You're going to stardom. Stardom na ito, di ba? It's like proclamation. Yan. It's like sinasabi dito na ang nanalo, di ba? Yan, ibig sabihin nito. Yan, kaya dito kita mo. It's about your achievements. Yan, di ba? It's like you learned your lesson. This is your teacher, your professor. Ibig sabihin nito, you're a model. Sabihin na natin, a model worker, di ba? A model employee. Ayan, di ba? So, napakaganda po nito, ha? Okay. So, it seems ito tinatawag na it will magkakaroon dito ng tinatawag na proclamation, announcement, publishing dito. So, ibig sabihin nito, preparation na ito for you, di ba? There is a preparation for you dito para ito is i-publish, okay?